Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Bramble Fox. I am making my second layout using the Magical Memories Perspectives. These are absolutely beautiful and I really wanted to work on a layout for my boys. I think it's been a long time. And the colors, perspectives, and the great idea I think went and worked out really well for them. So here's what I'm doing. I'm creating a frame with I'm using a white cardstock, white textured cardstock for my background, and then layering it on a piece of cardstock, and that will go on top of a pattern paper. Just to give it a little bit of interest, it's gonna be a really simple layout, but I wanted to add that, tiny bit of interest to the page. I am working now on arranging the basic elements of the photo, and I'm right now using my pencil to trace the placement for my squares, and now we're going to start working with a little bit of mixed media. So you might have seen this technique before, and it is definitely so much fun. I think I have found the right way to play with mixed media, and this is all thanks to Josephine. And she is one of the Bramble Fox design team members. Her layouts, her videos, and her projects are just amazing. And I've always admired how perfect her mixed media looked. And once I started watching all of her videos, I realized, okay, this is how she does it. I remember talking with her about it. She said, yeah, I'm a perfectionist. This is how I like to do it. I like to make sure that everything is just perfect. So I decided that I would give it a try and see if this is a technique that would work for me. I am definitely inspired to try it on every single project from now. We'll see how that goes. And again, it's very easy, and I'm sure that even though I will be using the same stamp, I will get different results, and you will see that here depending on the ink and the medium that you are using. You will get different effects. So the fact that you are stamping should not make you should not get the same effect every time. So that will make it interesting but challenging at the same time. You can see here the red is very strong. Most of it, though, will be covered with the photo, so I am not really concerned about that. Right, here we go with the black now. And again, it is scary. It is scary. The moment that you need to flip that stamp and start working on your paper gets really scary. But this is it. I make sure that you try this technique. I guess once I practice a little bit more, I'll start getting better results and I'll start feeling more confident. For sure, please make sure that you take a look at Josephine's videos. I will leave the link below to one of hers, just so you can see the video that I saw in the first place to try to, to decide to give this technique a try. Using regular double-sided tape, And now I'm adhering, using this ruler just to make sure that my square is straight. The idea now is I'm going to decorate each one of the squares in a very simple way and tone on tone, just to make sure that some yellow embellishments will go on the yellow side. We will also use the Mickey Perspectives that you see on the left, and we'll use again the yellow ones super close to the yellow square, the red on the red, and the black. It's not that easy to find, black embellishments that will go with the boys, but I think these wood veneers worked really well. All these embellishments are from the Hip Kid Club kits. All right, this is how my Mickey face will go. And again, I'm using a hot glue to adhere my pieces. You can see all of the Mickey faces are placed where they're gonna go. Now the idea for my journaling will be here, so I use my pencil to trace 3 circles and now a couple of lines just to try to follow. Because the Mickey face is not completely straight, I just wanted to make sure that the journaling, even though my Mickey face is towards the left, I wanted to make sure that everything would look aligned and that would look good. We will end up erasing all of those pencil marks, but in the beginning I normally feel really comfortable to work without lines, but I really wanted to make sure that everything was okay. And here you go. The journaling is just a little bit about each one of the photos and that trip in general. We're almost there, and we'll do the same thing with the big circle. You could, if you don't feel like writing that much, and this Mickey face, this cut file it's a bigger cut file. It's a word cut file from Paige Evans, and it's a love word with the Mickey face. I just got rid of the rest of the letters and used the Mickey face. Make sure that if your journaling is going to be handwritten and you're also going to trace those marks with pencil, make sure that you use a permanent marker so you don't have any issues when erasing those pencil marks. Here we go. Now I'm going to remove the plastic protector on both sides of my perspective. I'm gonna add the hot glue on one of the sides and adhere that to my page. All right, and this is it for me today. This page makes me so happy. The fact that I finally have a scrapbook page of my boys after a long time. It's one of my favorite trips of the 4 of us. We had so much fun a few years ago. Well, going to Disney World, using these amazing perspectives, trying new mixed media techniques. It's a page that makes me really really happy. I'm gonna leave you now with some close-up pictures. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you take a look at the Bramble Fox website for all the details and for all the options that you have with this magical memories perspectives. I hope you have a wonderful day. This was Andrea for Bramble Fox, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.